Hello, my name is Ken Reed, and we are now looking at page 14 of the DYO Green Building Decision Kit. It's number 14 on the display page, wall page, under the topic Insulation. 14A is commonly used wall and attic types in construction in the United States. 14B is older or less common wall and attic types, but still applicable. 14C is innovative and new wall and attic types, new designs, new ideas. 14D is sheathing. 14E is vapor barriers and retarders. Very important to think about the use of these as the proper application. 14F is foundation insulation. That is one of the more problematic areas for builders and remodelers, is how to properly insulate a foundation. We'll talk about ways to do that. 14G is how much insulation do you really need for the wall, for the attic, for the foundation? What is required by code? And what is a good idea for high efficiency or super insulated homes? 14H is water pipe insulation. 14I is water heater insulation, water heater blankets for example. 14J is window glass door insulation. And 14K is recommendations for older buildings on how to insulate.